Start your ebook publishing business with no sales page for your ebook needed. FlipGuardian really is pretty incredible and revolutionary for ebooks. It means you don't need sales copy, a sales page, or a download page to sell your ebooks. So you can take your PLR PDFs and have them set up as fully monetized sales machines in minutes. Let me show you just how quick and easy it is to get an ebook up for sale just using the PDF and FlipGuardian. So I'm logged into FlipGuardian. I'm in my campaign management area. I'm going to click on Create New. When it comes up, I'm going to give the new campaign a reference or a name. Then I'm going to give the product a name. Then I'm going to go to my campaign categories, going to choose a category I've already got set up, IM starters. All I'm then going to do is either browse to where my PDF is on my hard disk or drag and drop it into this field and let the system process it, which will take a few seconds. There we go. You can see that happening live. And it's already processed my ebook ready to start working with. Didn't take very long. This is actually a 61-page ebook, as you can see there. Let's go with allow download, yes. Allow sharing, yes. And let's say we're going to give them a fairly decent amount of access. Let's say 14 pages in total. Back up to the top, click on save. Once it's saved, I'm going to click on next to move over to the campaign type. I'm going to choose collect payment because I want to set this up as a paid money machine. Once the ungate has happened, i.e. once someone's paid, they're going to get to see this full PDF. The price, I'm going to set it at $1.75, make it a nice easy little purchase price for people to go for. My autoresponder is a Weber, and I'm going to choose the list that I'm adding them to. It's that one, and I'm going to add a tag in as well. I'm not going to add them to webinar. I'm not going to add them to product dyno at this point. I am going to add a bit of extra to the email that goes out once they purchase. I'm going to add my name, and I'm going to add the name of the guide in the subject line, and I'm also going to add a bit more of a sign off at the bottom, best wishes, Matt Garrett, and one of my main membership domains. So I've got enough information in there to be going with. Let's click on save, and again, once that's saved, click on next and move over to the gate styling. On the gate styling, I'm going to leave most of the information here the same, except the button color I'm going to change to blue because I know the color format in the ebook itself is blue. So again, click on save. Once that's saved, click on next to move on to the page settings. On this page, I'm going to pop in my URL for my main site in case I ever need to pause this campaign. Then I'm going to pop in an SEO page title, and I'm going to use the same thing for the SEO meta description. Then I'm going to scroll down, and before I go too far down, I'm going to change the branding from FlipGuardian to my own brand. I can also change the page color if I want to, but the main thing I need to do here is pop in a new header. I've already written one out, so I'm just going to pop that in, and a new subheader. Again, pop in my subheader, and I'm going to pop in a footer as well. Now at some point I'll probably come back and play with the colors and the styling a little bit more to make it match the style of the PDF, but that's actually all I need to do. And as I'm not a pro member, I'm not going to do annotations or videos. I can actually just click on save and exit and grab the page for my new FlipGuardian Flipbook money machine. What I'm going to do is click on this and choose open in a new tab, and we'll pop over to have a look at that, and let's go and flip through the pages to get through to where it gets to the payment gateway. That will take a few pages. I think we actually went for 14 pages on the setup, so one more and we'll hit the payment gateway. It will ask us to pay. Let's click on the buy button, and it brings up the Stripe payment page. So all I need to do now is put in my first name, my last name, email, put in my card number, and I can pay to get full access to the ebook. And that's it. There is no sales page. There is no download page. I didn't have to write any sales copy. The visitor had the opportunity to read the pages before the payment gateway to see if they liked the content. And every page flip is another micro commitment, increasing the likelihood that they will buy. And then they're straight onto the payment page with no fuss. It's a super soft sell based on providing valuable content to your visitors. Now that whole process took less than 3 minutes. Even as a newbie with no tech skills, you're going to be able to get a new FlipGuardian ebook money machine set up in just 5 to 10 minutes max. Now take just a moment to think about how much value FlipGuardian will add to your business in just the next few days, let alone this year as a whole. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the inside.